Winter nights in the forest. On a winter night, all the animals of the jungle were shivering with cold. By midnight, the temperature dipped below 0 degrees Celsius and many animals fell seriously ill. Dr. Dove was watching all these animals. The next morning, a dog complained. I could hear the sound of my teeth chattering as I shivered in the night. Though we are big, we too felt very cold, said an elephant. I have an idea, said Dr. Dove. Let us all move into a nearby cave and spend our winter nights there. The animals agreed. It was night again. All the animals were inside the cave, but still they were shivering. They asked Dr. Dove for a solution. Dr. Dove asked them to collect dry twigs, make a small heap and set it on fire at the mouth of the cave. After lighting the fire, the cave became warm and all the animals slept comfortably. They made it a daily routine and enjoyed the winters. Team effort can solve big problems. The quail and the tomcat. In a jungle, there lived a quail. In her neighborhood, there lived a tomcat. The quail was the mother of 4 chicks. She was always scared of the tomcat, but the tomcat was very loving towards the chicks. One day, in spite of her fear, Mother Quail went out with her chicks for a walk near the pond. The tomcat followed them with his camera. He wanted to take pictures of those chicks. Suddenly, Mother Quail heard some sound. She immediately checked on her chicks and was shocked to find one of her chicks missing. The tomcat had also heard the sound. He followed the sound and found that it was coming from a hole. The tomcat put his paw inside the hole and found the missing chick there. He took out the chick carefully and handed it to Mother Quail. Mother Quail was very happy and relieved and thanked the tomcat. Finally, Mother Quail and tomcat became good friends. The Foolish Rabbit. Once a dog was wandering about in a forest. Suddenly he came upon a grassy patch and saw a rabbit busy eating the grass. The dog decided to chase the rabbit. The rabbit noticed the dog coming towards him. He ran as fast as he could to save himself from being killed. As the dog was getting nearer, the rabbit was unable to run anymore. He hid behind a bush. Unfortunately, due to his hunger, the rabbit ate the leaves of the bush and became visible to the dog. The dog saw the rabbit and tried to catch him with a single leap. The rabbit immediately ran towards his burrow as fast as he could. But alas, the rabbit could not make it to his burrow, and the dog succeeded in catching him. The rabbit got caught due to his foolishness. He ate the leaves of the bush behind which he had been hiding safely. The mouse plays a trick. A forest was located near a seashore. All the animals in the forest used to make fun of the mouse's tiny size. One day, the mouse thought of challenging the shark and the elephant to a game of tug-of-war. He called the shark and asked her to remain near the seashore. The mouse told her that he would give her a long rope, and when he would ask him to pull, the competition would start. He conveyed the same message to the elephant and asked him to stand behind the trees near the seashore. The mouse then cleverly tied the rope both to the shark's tail and to the elephant's body too. He yelled, "Pull!" Both the animals, the elephant and the shark, pulled the rope. But to their shock, they just could not pull it. They thought, that little mouse could not possibly be stronger than we. But finally, they shouted out in exhaustion, "Oh mouse, we surrender. We will never mock you again." The Pigeon Scholar. One day, an elephant was very happy. He invited all the animals and the birds of the jungle to a party. Everyone wanted to dress well. The pigeon who delivered the invitation to the party on behalf of the elephant had no time to dress. All the other animals were nicely dressed up. When the pigeon saw this, he felt very bad. He said to the animals, "Sadly, I have no new dress, so I will come in my old dress itself." The elephant felt sorry for the pigeon and thought of cheering him up. All the animals agreed and said, "Do not worry, dear friend, we will arrange something for you." Then all the animals collectively gifted him a sparkling collar. The pigeon was very grateful and happy. Since that day, all pigeons wear sparkling blue-purple collars.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.